So here we have our first long to short transformation. Looks like she wants to get a bob. Stylist cuts off the hair. And she ends up getting a gorgeous classic bob makeover. Very pretty. I like how he went back in and added the bangs to kind of create that layered vibe. Very cute style. So here we have someone with hair around shoulder length. Looks like she might be in the chair for a cut refresh here. Oh, he's going short though. She must be getting a pixie. I honestly thought that when she started off, she was going to get a bob, but I am loving this pixie makeover. She looks incredible. Love the swoop bangs. Very cute style. So here we have someone with around mid-length hair. Looks like she wants a bob. Some bangs to help bring out some layers. Layered bobs are very popular right now, by the way. They're a great way to add some volume to your hair. Very cute style. I love the nice wavy texture. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.